who likes Lauki here?
Who likes Lauki?
No way, please Ruchi.
Well, my crew is not a big fan of Lauki. I'm sure many of you aren't too. But get ready to change your mind. Hi guys, this is Ruchi Bharani and welcome to Rajshri Food, your ultimate destination for 100% vegetarian recipes. And today, I'm going to show you the best way to eat Lauki with Lauki Ke Kebabs. So I'm going to start with mixing all the dry ingredients first. I have 1 cup of gram flour that I have roasted. So just roast it for about 2 to 3 minutes. There's another significant ingredient that I'm going to add now. I've taken about 1/4 cup of gram dal or chana dal, soaked it for 3 hours, and then I just ground it in the blender into a coarse paste. So this is what it looks like, and I'm going to add it. This is going to give a very interesting texture to the kebabs. Just give it a good mix. Next, let's add in the seasoning ingredients. So I have 1 teaspoon of coriander and cumin seed powder, half a teaspoon of red chilli flakes, 1 teaspoon of ajwain or Carrom Seeds, half a teaspoon of Garam Masala, half a teaspoon of red chilli powder, 2 pinches of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of amchur or raw mango powder, half a teaspoon of roasted cumin seed powder, 2 green chillies finely chopped, 1 tablespoon of ginger paste, 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, 1 small onion finely chopped, and a handful of coriander leaves. Salt to taste. Give all these ingredients a good mix. At this point, I'm also going to turn on the flame. So I have a pan over here that's full of oil in which I'm going to fry the kebabs. Mix all the dry ingredients properly. Next comes in the hero ingredient. So I've taken around 750 grams of Lauki or Bottle Gourd, grated it, add a little bit of salt and just keep it aside for a minute. And then just put it in a napkin and drain out all the water. Basically just squeeze it out from the Lauki. This is here, and now I'm going to add this into this mixture. Make sure you squeeze out all the water. It's very important. Mix it properly. I'm also going to add in about 2 tablespoons of hot oil. Time to shape these kebabs. If you feel that mixture is too dry and it's falling apart and not shaping, you can always sprinkle 1 or 2 tablespoons of water. I'm going to shape them into oval kebabs. The quantity that I've taken is good enough for around 6 people. But trust me, they're going to turn out so delicious that you're going to fall short of them. These kebabs are ready to fry. Hot oil and reduce the flame to medium. And then start adding these kebabs. Don't be in a hurry to fry these. Just fry them on medium-low heat. Otherwise, they're going to be undone from the middle. A few of them have got a beautiful color. Let's get them out. While I surprise you with this delicious recipe made from Lauki, your turn to surprise me is coming soon. So stay tuned to the shout out segment. Time to plate these kebabs. And now I'm going to ask my crew the same question. Anybody up for Lauki Ke? And that's how you create magic with cooking. Keep cooking and keep creating magic with Rajshri food. Lauki Ke Kebab is my way to turn a healthy but not so loved vegetable into a delicious snack. What is your way to turn a healthy vegetable into a delicious snack? Do let me know in the comment section below. After all, don't you want to win a shout out from me? Get innovative, get cooking.